Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to go over the AA Ignition front leveling kit that fits the 2004 to 2018 Ford F-150, both two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive models. So the primary piece of this kit are these CNC'd billet aluminum spacers. These install between the front strut as well as the body of the truck, and this is what results in the truck being raised 2 inches. Now, the thickness of these spacers is not exactly 2 inches. Due to the way the suspension geometry is set up in the vehicle, it's not a one-to-one raise, meaning if this spacer was exactly 2 inches, you would not end up with a 2-inch lift on the truck. So that's why the thickness of the spacer is what it is. It's designed to result in a 2-inch lift. We also include complete installation hardware, which includes Allen head bolts, washers, and nylon lock nuts, and we also include full color installation instructions. Now, if you guys have any questions about the kit, whether it's the correct kit for your vehicle or anything about installation, please feel free to reach out to us and we'd be glad to help.